In this video, I want to show you an exciting gaming project which seems to be having more and more holders each day. But I still think you're relatively early to this project. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. Before I continue, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your further research before you invest any money in crypto and only invest what you can afford to lose. So the project I want to talk about today is called Beam. So Beam is the new as you see here, it says Merit Circle, which was the former version of Beam. So Merit Circle is migrating to Beam. So basically going from an old contract to a new one. I'll put the price in dollars. So I'm from the UK, so I bought in about a penny. So I've almost like practically doubled my money already, but I'm still holding this token. I intend to buy a little bit more over the next couple of months, but not too much. Um, so on CoinGecko, the price around about the end of October was 0.004, so 0.004, and now at 0.027, so it's just under a 7x gain. So if you bought back then, which I didn't, but if you bought back then and sold today, you'd have made about 7 times your money. But I still think you're early. So if you would think this is a good project, I'll show you where you can buy it first, and then we'll go more detail of what Beam is all about. As alluded to, it's a gaming project, but you can get this on the main kind of exchanges here: Binance, Bitrue, Mexi, Gate.io, PancakeSwap. There's another page here. It says got these exchanges, but I buy this through crypto.com. So that's where I've been buying mine. So over the past 30 days, it's gone up 43.2%. And it's just been, especially the last 2 weeks, it's gone up almost 60%. And the good thing is the market cap here, what's this, $1.4 billion dollar market cap here. And there's a lot of circulating supply here. And the current rank is 60. So the actual website takes you to Merit Circle, and there's a white paper here. You got your Twitter, you got your Telegram if you want to keep up to date, which I recommend you do as part of your further research. So onto the website here. So I've just done a bit of scrolling here. So you got this nice kind of almost mini console coming on here, where it kind of looks like your old kind of I don't know, like a Game Boy slash Atari. Like it's really got that nostalgic feel, but with also these kind of modern games here uh, uh, as part of this project. So it says here, as a DAO, our mission is to revolutionize gaming by making blockchain technology a cornerstone of the next generation of games. So a new era of gaming is open source, blockchain specialized for gaming, as an ecosystem that simplifies the complexities of game development and enhances the experiencing, putting the focus on the player. Because that's all it's about. I mean, I don't really play games so much. I've got a PS4 Pro. I've had it for ages, but I've not even touched it for quite a long time, so I might just get rid of it soon anyway. But yeah, you got all these kind of cartridge looking graphics here of all the different games here. You got some videos of the gaming as well. So it's chain agnostic product suite. So I believe that would just be no matter what the chain is, you should be able to integrate with Beam. It's got this part here, Sphere, which is native to the asset marketplace. So this is where you might have kind of cosmetic items. Perhaps you could sell them. I did believe I put a tab on here for here. Yeah, so you got this free to mint and let me just scroll down. Yeah, so you've got these collections here, where there's like 64 of these and 518 of these trending collections here. But I'll go back onto the web page. And I just forgot, like Beam, it just kind of reminds me of Steam, like just like, which is the where I think you can get your games on PC. I don't really play uh, PC games. I don't play games anymore, but I just kind of know. So yeah, by gamers for gamers, ownership, creativity, and enjoyment. So you've got this operating system, and you've got this kind of governance part here where you can vote for different aspects of Beam to decide on their future. So this is more about the games here. So you've got all these games, and if you sign up, you can get some experience points as well. And you've got different types. So these are like the highlighted games that they have, like City of Greed. We've got on Playland. It's got the genres. So you've got racing, base building, strategy games. And I think this is going to be more games. I think this will show you the whole list of games that they have so far. Um, yeah, so they've got a few over here, and they've got What's Hot, which is I think what they have alluded to. Well, they've kind of highlighted here like Trial Extreme, Step In. So maybe that would get your steps literally in on here. Um, yeah, Star Atlas. That's kind of like that's quite well known. Baby Kart. So this is kind of like I guess a budget version of Mario Kart. So they probably have to call it something else. Um, just hope I don't get them into trouble. Yeah, so I think could be a very good, exciting project to invest in. As I said, I do hold these tokens. I've been holding it the past few months, and it's good that I'm making these gains. But I still think it's relatively early. But you kind of have to decide for yourself how much you want to accumulate, how much you want to hold, because there are lots and lots of projects, and I personally like to have a few, like have a bit of a diversified portfolio. Again, it's not financial advice, but I just think it's good just to kind of spread the risk around, have a bit of medium risk, high risk. I think this is kind of like medium, like low to medium risk. Um, as again, uh, I don't really know the price of how high this could go. As you can see, it's still new. But as I put my thumb now, a 70x I put on here. So 70x from the bottom will be roughly about 28 cents, which is roughly a 10x from now. So as I said, I bought in for about a penny. So if I did sell at 28, I'd make 20 times my money since I bought in for roughly a penny. But I'll just be buying a little bit more because I think they're all kind of more exciting projects. But if you want to put lots and lots on there, if you think that's the strategy for you, you come to your own conclusion on that. I will highlight the amount of holders. So you probably know my friend Crypto Gains. He did put on a video a couple of months back when this was he brought in, I think it was a 0.009. That was when he put the video. He might have been buying before then, and it was 8,100 holders. And today there's over 26,000 holders. So there's like just over 3 times the amount of holders since Crypto Gains' video was released 2 months ago. So it shows a lot of confidence in this project. So I think that could be an interesting pick for you. So what I would recommend that if you are here but you're like, I'm not sure, I really think you should do further research on this. But I think just overall, just look at the kind of different gaming projects that there are. I will highlight a few. So I did do a few like gaming or mentioned a few in my previous videos, like games for a living. I was buying that at roughly like a penny each. It's about 3 cents each. So I've made about 3 times. I'm still like want to buy a little bit more. So I think as I kind of wean out of Beam, I will probably be topping up my games for a living, um, like games for a living holding. Sorry, let me just go to gaming. There should be a gaming. Here we go, GameFi. Here we go. Um, so on CoinGecko, this is like a lot. So internet computer again, it's one of my babies. So like I really want to have more internet computer since it's really been performing well. So I was like looking at that. What about five cents? Sorry, $5. And it's gone up. Gala. Always been very bullish on Gala. Um, I've done a video on Magic, but I'm not buying it. I'm not planning to buy any Magic for a while. Miria is the one that I'm looking to for the short term. So I think like when I get paid again, I'll hold it for about a week, and then we'll just see what happens. But I think there are a few other ones as well, like Nakamoto Games has performed well in the past. Games like today's gone up 15.9. So these are just ones I think that you should maybe note down. My Neighbor Alice, Star Atlas, um, Wild World, which I've done a video on recently as well. Uh, Veracity, I mentioned before in one of my previous videos, it's gone up 20%. Oh, sorry, these are 7 days, not the 24 where I'm pointing to. So, um, yeah, so there are a lot of gaming projects. I think even if you don't go to buy Beam, is really look at the gaming side of crypto. I think there's quite a lot of projects that will do well. Again, none of this is financial advice. Games for a living, past 7 days has gone down. So I think potentially this could be to kind of dollar cost average. Um, Also, hello, I think it's an exciting project. And on the 19th of February, there will be a Twitter X space at I believe it's 7 p.m. UK time. So check that out. I'll be listening in onto that because I think it's a really good project to um, I think could do really well in the ball run. But I think with these lower cap ones and just holding on, like just maybe putting bits of hero money and just holding, because if you don't hold for the longer, medium to long term, I don't think you would really make too much money. But that's just my own philosophy. Like you do what you want. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, just being a bit accountable here. It does it is a bit of a pain when you have money sitting in your crypto account and then you're just like, oh, should I cash out a little bit here? But I'm personally over the next few months is just doing what I can just to get my money up, and I think the gaming space is one part of crypto that I think you should have a look at. Anyway, I want to say thank you for those people who commented for my birthday, which was a couple of weeks ago, roughly, and all the that kind of extra support with the birthday likes. Again, that's really appreciated. And if you're still here, please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll probably post a video. I'm gonna have a little bit of a break. I'll probably post about next week. But my Twitter is down in the description below. So if you wanna reach me on Twitter, you can do. Yeah, I'll see you next video. Cheers.